welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be turning myself into a rhinestone pumpkin kind of. So I'm just gonna put on some ears, get my hair out of the way. I always have issues with this side because of my piercing. Okay, so I have a giant bag of rhinestones here that we are going to be using for this look. I have some like black cream eyeshadow and then some orange like pressed powder, and I'm gonna try to apply it with this brush all over my face. I realized I probably should grab my mirror, so hold on a second please. You might want that, it might help a little bit. Alright, so what I'm gonna do with the orange is cover my whole face in it if I can. Get it all on there. I'm going to look crazy after this. This is actually covering faster than I was expecting, thank goodness. So the makeup stores where this brand is, they used to have a store here in Colorado, but then they decided to close it for some reason. I don't know why, because I always thought they did pretty well, but I could be wrong, I guess. But they're like from Sweden, I think. And their makeup is really good, like super pigmented, stays on really well, it's super high quality. So when they like decided to close, I was actually really sad. And I bought like everything I possibly could that they sold. And this is one of the things I bought. I just didn't realize it would cover the face so well. And this is just a regular eyeshadow. Holy orange. Okay. So this is my base. Do I look like a pumpkin yet? Okay, now I'm gonna take this black and I'm just gonna kind of like draw where I want my triangle for my eyes to go. I'm just gonna kind of make this a little bit more black. So if there's any like parts of my skin showing underneath the rhinestones, you won't be able to tell that much. I look crazy. Okay, so that's my eyes facing. Super messy. Okay, now that I look crazy, I'm gonna open the rhinestones. Okay, we're just gonna start with what I got out. This is the only part I ever regret is gluing them on my eyebrows. But I always have eyebrows usually after, so let's hope that happens today. Okay, the other side now. Okay, so that is my eyes so far. I'm gonna let those kind of dry for a second. Now we'll move to my mouth. Guys, this is so many rhinestones. Holy crepes. And they're trying to fall off. It is so uncomfortable to look down with this many rhinestones on your eyes. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'm a rhinestone pumpkin face. Oh, hold on. I forgot one most important part. I'm just gonna do a few on the nose. Okay, now I am done with the whole look. I can't believe I forgot the nose. So that is my rhinestone pumpkin for you guys. I know it's weird, it's different, so I wanted to do something kind of strange, and this is what I came up with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing more crazy Halloween looks for you guys. Comment below what you guys are gonna be for Halloween, because I'm curious. I still don't know, and I need to figure it out because Halloween is almost here, so that's crazy to think about. This month has gone by so fast, it's insane. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.